Good morning, guys. I'm running so late, but good morning. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are all having a great freaking day. I know I'm about to have a great day. So if you guys have a bad day, keep watching. Hopefully my day and my excitement and whatever will help you guys have a better day. But I'm about to slap some little bit of gel in my hair and then get going because I'm about to meet my friend and I'm already super late. And I feel bad. But alright, I'll catch you guys in a little bit. But thank you for coming back to another video. I hope you guys enjoy. And let's have a great day! Woo-woo! Okay, bye. What's up, guys? He's tired. I just linked up with Cameron, the homie from East County, and we're about to go on this fun little hike right here, and we're about to pet some dogs and stuff. I hope you guys are enjoying. Knuckles and
We
Cameron.
should get food before we do that.
No, bro, we're just gonna do it and then go get food.
I can't hike with an empty stomach.
Yeah, you can. You'll be okay. Yo, yo, yo! What's up, guys? There's a car. We can't do it.
We're in Salona Beach right now. We just grubbed on some Panda Express.
Oh, I can't even turn left here.
How do I use the focus?
One's focus and one's light.
I'm gonna leave that right there. It looks good. And we just cruising right now. Look at that. Oh, we stuck in the middle. He could get a ticket right now. This is called gridlocking. Don't do this.
Really?
Yeah. It says right where you're at. Do not block.
I'm not blocking it. You can get through.
No, bro.
I make money when I talk. I'm a boss, take a loss.
I was about to go for it. What's up, guys? We're in Salona Beach right now, and it is so magnificent. You like that big word? And we're about to get some pictures right now. I gotta take my glasses off, then I look better. And we're gonna enjoy the view right now. Put you guys away for a little bit, you know? Okay. Let's keep the hair in one direction. See, that's how windy it is. Holy cow.
Super windy.
Okay,
we should
later.
Oh! Hey, into the grass.
Woo! Oh, yeah!
That was good. That was clean. That was clean. Oh, that's grass though. We gotta go. Oh, that was cool. Yeah. That was sick. Where's the ball?
Talk to him, Cameron.
I want to get some practice shots. I'm tired. We won the second game, you know.
1-1. We gotta go game 2 right now. Let's get it. We got competition.
Game 2.
Let's get it.
Best 2 out of 3.
Yeah, good pressure.
There you go. Way to follow up. 5-2. Back. Up top. Nice.
Hey, homie rolling up. There he is. Oh, yeah. Look at these brothers right here. Oh, okay, 370's way cleaner.
Yeah, bro.
Hey.
was close. That was so close. That was clean. Clean. Hey, that was clean. Let's go. That was a solid clip right there. I'm just gonna stop.
What's up, guys? Just out here skating in the streets, met some fresh homies. Now we're about to go back down to the beach. It's been a fun day in Salona Beach. Got a homie Cameron filming. Heck yeah. Look, we got the Z brothers, Z's on Z's. Z on Z right here.